This 5-minute solution will show you how to block internet on iPhone. If you're trying to block internet for a specific app or for a specific browser or a specific website, follow these easy steps to do it. First of all, go to your iPhone settings, and the first method to block your internet is just enable airplane mode, and then you won't be able to use any kind of internet like Wi-Fi or cellular or hotspot. So if you don't want to enable airplane mode, then follow the second steps to block internet. Once you are in your iPhone settings home screen, here tap on screen time and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Make sure to enable content and privacy restrictions option, and now tap on content restrictions. And first of all, let's block our browser or a specific website. In order to block a website, tap on web content, and here select limit adult websites to block any specific website. And now tap on never allow section, tap on add website, and enter here the website link or URL that you want to block. And now tap on done. And that's how you will be able to easily block any specific website. And now let's block an app. In order to block any app, tap on apps, and here select don't allow. And now as you can see, my internet connection is turned on. I'm using Wi-Fi, and now if I try to open my Facebook app, here you can see the app has been blocked. Let's try to open any other app like LinkedIn. Here we can see all of my apps are gone from my iPhone home screen, Facebook, Messenger, YouTube, because of I blocked internet for those apps. And to unblock, again go to settings and tap on screen time, tap on content and privacy restrictions, tap on content restrictions, tap on apps, and here select allow all. And now here we can see all of my app again at date. So this is how we can block internet on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.